Hello everyone, today we're going to show you some basic salsa steps for couples. Let's get started explaining some basic salsa steps for couples. These steps will be brought to you in an introductory course of 4 installments. Today we're going to start with the first class. This is Monica, and today she's going to help us show you these basic initiation steps, which you can see are 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3. The girl always starts with the right moving behind, and the guy starts with it going forward. 5, 6, 7. It's important that you watch out, so not all your weight moves with you, but that your weight stays centered and your feet make the steps. And 1, 2, 3. Hand in hand is the basic open position. In a closed position, you have to keep in mind your right hand is on the shoulder, get a little closer, and the position has to have the guy a little misaligned to the left so that the knees and feet are separated. This way we can ensure we don't step on each other's toes and we do not collide when we bend the knees. So, in the closed position, the guy is misaligned a little to the left so that the feet are interspersed. The open position is a little wider, a little further apart, and the hands are relaxed. It's important to bear in mind that when I want to talk to Monica, usually there are more people, so if I want to talk privately, normally I would more or less choose this distance away from her. I would not choose to move this close as it could be something too intimate. Since it is a social dance and we will be talking and dancing with everyone, this is the comfortable distance we should always have to maintain. When I want to talk to her, but I am standing too far away, you will quickly see that the communication is going to be a little strained and we may mishear each other. So, the first thing you need to take into account when you're approaching a dance partner is that you're at a comfortable distance where you can hear each other. In the open position, let's start with twirling the girl, which is a basic turn. Always start off with the basic turn because eventually we will have to develop it and use it with more energy. We can't have a series of signals that indicate every turn and look. We're not machines, so we have to generate the movement naturally and play with the movement using your energy. 1, 2, closed, and she turns on 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. We always go forward and move back on the basic steps since we have to ensure the steps are correct. Start with the basics before the turn and then continue basic steps afterwards. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. Let's see it from the other side. On this side, it would look like this. The girl's hand is loose and free. Although she can move it from waist up, she will need to keep it closer when it comes time to turn. This is something we discuss later when we do the double turn, as it is helpful to control the force the guy gives when turning. But this is, as we said, when we do more than one turn. For now, it's okay to start getting the body used to keeping the hand in close every time we turn. And 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Alright, this is how we do the basic twirl. Let's do it with a little music so you can see better. The difference between dancing and marking time is that the music has different accents, and doing the dance in one place allows us to play along with the music. The same basic steps will be a little different depending on the music. Now with the music, we will show you the difference between dancing and marking time. Don't forget to comment if you enjoyed the video, give us a like and subscribe for more to come. We'll see you next time.